Hey everyone, welcome back to our Dart and Flutter tutorial series. In the last video, we learned about interface in Dart. Today we will cover Mixin in Dart, one of the most powerful and underrated features in Dart that helps you to reuse code without any. Let's get started. So first of all, what is Mixin? A Mixin is a way to reuse a class's code in a multiple class arrays without using inheritance. Okay, what is the key points of Mixin? Reuse code, no object creation, no constructor, can be applied to multiple classes, uses key, with keyword. Okay, so why we use Mixin in our Dart code? So we use Mixin when we want to share behavior across unrelated classes, avoid multiple inheritance issues, clean and flexible design, use heavily in Dart. Okay, here we see simple basic example. Okay, so first of all we create a Mixin class using a Mixin keyword. Okay, Mixin logger. Okay, inside we create a method name is log. Okay, inside log method we print log and method. Okay, so this is our Mixin class. Okay, now how we use our subclasses, like creator, another class, create user with logger. Okay, now we get another method here, void create user. Inside we use log method over logger Mixin class. Okay, provide a method. What we should do here, we use user created message. Okay, now what to do in our main method? Here we create an object of user. Then user in we create a method like create user. So we simply call it create user. Okay, so see here print log user created because of we use a log method over its Mixin class logger. Okay, inside we create a log method, provide method, same things we call here. Okay, user get log method, no inheritance involved. Okay, now we do with multiple classes. Okay, simply we create another class, Mixin class, Mixin fly. Okay, inside fly class we create a constructor fly. Okay, what we do here, we print line. Okay, this is our Mixin class. In case we need to using multiple classes, so simply create a class bird with line. Okay, same thing here, class plan with line. Okay, so this is way we can call or extend our Mixin class to our bird plant classes. Okay, so this is multiple classes. Okay, same behavior used, classes related to each other. Okay, okay, now if we can to use Mixin classes with multiple Mixin. Okay, what is multiple Mixin? So first we create two Mixin classes and we use two Mixin class in our caro class. Okay, so create Mixin and class. Okay, inside we create void start ng. Okay, inside we print engine started. Okay, create another Mixin class, Mixin music system. Okay, create method void play music. Okay, quickly print some log here also. Print playing music. Okay. Now we use this both mixing class in our car class. Okay. So class car with. Okay. First we call engine, then we use music. Okay. Conclusions here. Order methods. Last mixing overrides previous ones if method less. Okay. So this is simple things to how we create a mixing in our dart code. How to use created methods. Okay. In the next video we will learn about encapsulation in that. Private variables, getters and setters. If this video helpful, you like, subscribe and share. See you soon in the next one.